Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise. Today we shall discuss exercise 6.1, question number 2b. In triangle PQR, PQ and PR are the altitudes of the triangle, right? That means here you have to take a triangle. Take a triangle like this. Let us take a right angle triangle like this. Let us take this line. Right. Let us take another line. Right. Let us take another line. Here we have taken a triangle, and if you write the name of the triangle, name of the triangle is PQR, P, PR and PQ are the altitude. PR and PQ are the altitudes of the triangle. Here we are now at the name of the triangle, that is it is name of the vertex, that is it is P, it is Q, and it is R. Right? Here you see this is right angle triangle PQR. PQR, PQR is a right angle triangle. Is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Here you see that's QP. QP is perpendicular on RP. That means this angle is 90 degree. Right? Therefore, you can say that PQ and PR are the altitudes of the triangle PQR. Right? Right? Therefore, you can say that PQ, this line, and PR and PR are the altitudes of the triangle, are the altitudes the altitudes altitudes of the triangle, altitudes of the triangle PQR. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.